Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Braya. It's Braya. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can see my new content every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today, I am going to be reviewing Old Navy's athletic line of leggings for a couple of reasons. One, because Old Navy is not a store that I would normally shop at because their clothing is just kind of like whatever, like it's not very great. It's kind of for like, I don't know, like moms and kids. Like it's not really my style at all. However, I know that most really good leggings are extremely overpriced and they're just not in my price range as a college student, and they're not in most of my friends' price ranges unless we get some like really nice ones for Christmas or something. So I thought, I wonder if Old Navy has one redeeming quality. So I'm gonna see if that's the case. I have a whole bunch of leggings that I purchased from Old Navy, and I'm just gonna see if they're good or not. We're just gonna see if the texture is right, if they are like squat proof, and how much they cost. Now these are pretty well priced, as you can see. They're not super expensive. They're pretty like around, like I would say they're usually from like $20 to $50, which is pretty good in comparison to some brands like, I don't know, like Lululemon or some other like yoga brands, and a lot of their stuff is more like 75 to 200 range, which is like a little bit unrealistic for me. So these ones are definitely more affordable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if they actually are worth purchasing and if they're going to be worth it in the day-to-day life of working out, going to yoga class, going to dance class, going to school, because I wear leggings every day at college. So we're just gonna go ahead and figure out if this is worth it or not. All right, let's get started. So for our first pair of leggings that we're going to be reviewing, we have a pair of kind of like snakeskin prints. I don't know really what you would call this print. I'm going to say snake print, and it's like black and gray. It has pockets on the side, which are pretty stretchy, and it is, I think, high-waisted. So these are Go Dry. These are part of their Go Dry line. So they go up about to your belly button. Just on like feel alone, they feel pretty good. Like they feel like a kind of workout like legging that you would want to wear out to the gym, because they're not like cottony, like they're mainly spandex, I bet. Yeah, so these are like, have a lot of spandex and a lot of polyester. I got a size small in all of these, so just so you can compare for yourself. So these ones, I think I would probably give like maybe like a 7 out of 10. Like they're really not that bad. Like they're pretty good. I like the length. They're I always get 7/8 length in all my leggings, so I don't like them to be too long or too short. So these ones I would go ahead and give a 7. Like they fit pretty well. I think they're pretty flattering. They don't really do a whole lot for your butt, I don't think. As far as like Camel Toe goes, these ones aren't that bad. Like I was honestly expecting it to be much worse. They actually fit pretty well. So yeah, 7 out of 10 for these. The next one we have is a gray pair, just a simple gray pair, and they have this design on the side right by the ankle up to like halfway to your shin. These are small. Once again, these are extra high-waisted. These are balance leggings, a part of their Go Dry collection. I like these ones. I think gray is a really flattering color on people in general. Like, and I think gray on like my complexion looks good, and I think gray in workout leggings always looks good and always makes you look like a little bit more like perky in your booty. So yeah, I definitely like these ones. The only thing is these are definitely mainly cotton. I don't like to work out in cotton leggings because then they just get all sweaty and gross. So also they're gray. So yeah, it's 53% cotton, 36% polyester, and 11% spandex. See, I would rather have spandex and polyester for my leggings, like the first pair, because these ones are mainly cotton, and these ones are probably fine for like going to class and stuff, but you probably won't catch me working out in these, especially not in doing any like leg exercises or like running. That's gonna make me sweat a lot on my legs. Like it's just probably not gonna happen. As far as Camel Toe goes, this one is a little bit worse. Like I think you have to wear like some like a no-show like underwear under it or something, like, because it just kind of shows a lot, and you just gotta be careful with that. And I hate that. I'm always careful about that. So these ones I'm gonna go ahead and give like a 5. Like, I think that, like, as far as, like, how much you're paying for it, like, okay, they're not that bad. I just don't think that any active leggings should be cotton. That's just my personal opinion, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a 5. Okay, the next pair we have is this really nice, like, deep turquoise blue color ones with pockets and a mesh design on the side. These ones are, like, very nice. They're very high-waisted. They're also part of the Go Dry. These ones I actually got an extra small in. And the height, as you can see, the waistband is extremely high, which is really flattering. It sucks in your belly. These ones, I still feel like these are a little bit cottony, but they are, they're not too bad. Like, I think that they're probably mainly spandex and polyester and maybe a little bit less cotton, because they do fit pretty well. I know that they're, like, squat proof, like they can't see anything. They're good for running and stuff. As far as, like, the front area, I would definitely give, like, say, like, wear some underwear that you know is going to help with that, because it does show a little bit. The thing about Old Navy is, and a lot of brands, is they all have a front seam. I don't know what that's about. I don't know who decided that this was, like, an attractive thing to put on your pants. Like, a front seam. We're girls. Like, this is not going to work. I'm sorry. Like, it's just not going to work. But I actually would give these ones, like, an 8. Like, these ones are really nice, I think. The color is really great. You can wear it with pretty much any top. These ones are a little bit long, though, and also they're an extra small, but they don't fit very tight. Like, they just hug your curves. So I think that's very, like, I think it's very attractive. So, yeah, these ones get an 8. The next ones are these dark gray with white on the side, kind of like a tie-dye. Like, it looks like they just, like, bleached it on the sides, which I think is kind of cool. I thought it was kind of cool on the website. Like, it just looks kind of cool, and it kind of makes your legs look a little bit thinner, I think. So these ones I think are really cute. They have and again, they have a really high waistband, so that's good. These ones are also part of their Balance Go Dry leggings. The only thing is, once again, these are, like, extremely cotton, like over 50% cotton. They're a little bit spandex, but, like, not that much. And so I feel like this line is probably more for, like, stretching and, like, light yoga, like nothing crazy, because you're just gonna sweat right through these. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I know that I'll just sweat right through these. So these would not be ones that I would wear for, like, running or doing any, like, heavy lifting or anything. But they are cute. I think they're pretty flattering. I mean, I don't think that they're, like, unattractive. I just feel like they could be better. They could have done better. The front area issue, you know, pretty severe. So wear something under these for sure. So these ones I'd probably give, like, a 4. Like, realistically speaking, like, I can wear these to sleep and, like, around the house, but, like, a 4. The last pair we have is probably my favorite of the ones I bought. They are these Old Navy Go Dry ones. These ones are actually extra small as well, and they are gray, like a heather gray kind of. And they have, like, if you could see, they've got, like, little tiny lines going through them. These ones are extremely high-waisted. I honestly feel like I'll end up just, like, rolling them over like this. But they are very flattering. They hug you all the way down, like another 7/8 one. They lift your booty, so that's nice. And the color is just really attractive, I think. I love gray. The butt issue is severe in these ones because these are more like spandexy ones. So it will be an issue. I'll still give these ones a 9 just because I think it's easy to fix if you wear, like, a long shirt or something. But these ones are really great to work out in. I've worked out in them, and they just hug you. They don't show any sweat. The thing about gray leggings, you don't want them to show any sweat marks because that's just kind of gross. Like, you don't want to go to the gym and, like, turn around and see, like, a sweat mark on the back of your bottom. These ones don't show anything. Like, I was sat on a bike for, like, 45 minutes, got off, and there was no marks. Like, these ones are really heavy duty, stretch, Go Dry ones that don't show any sweat. So that one's a really big plus. These ones get a 9 for sure. So overall, I would give Old Navy Active, like, I would give them maybe like a 6 or 7 overall. Like, I think you're kind of getting what you pay for in terms of, like, the price range. Like, they're not going to use the best materials because they're not charging you for the best materials. And that's just kind of how it goes. I do think, though, that it is worth buying. I think that they are worth buying, especially if you're on a budget and you want to have some workout leggings that will get the job done without having to pay the big bucks of, like, Lululemon or other brands. So I think that it is worth buying, especially like if you think about it, like these ones are way better than some other brands that are around the same price range. Like I don't know, there's other brands that it's just like not as good. Like I don't know, like Forever 21's leggings like aren't that great, like in all reality. And so these Old Navy ones, like if you're gonna buy anything from Old Navy, I think it should be athletic apparel, like especially if you're around my age and you're not really vibing with their style. At least you can, and I know they have some like really good sports bras and stuff too, so I would say like their athletic is actually worth buying. It's priced with it right within most of our price ranges. Like we don't want to spend more than $50 on leggings unless we have the money randomly. So like this is a good price range. They get the job done, especially if you're not really doing any heavy lifting. Like this gets the job done for sure. So yeah, I think that overall these leggings are kind of worth buying. I don't hate them. I will definitely wear them again. Even the ones that I rated pretty low, I will still wear again, realistically speaking, like even if it's just to a lecture. But yeah, if you like these kinds of videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on any other brands that I should review, and I will do that. I love doing these kind of videos. I like to make you guys aware of what's out there. So definitely leave a comment down below and I will get right on that. And if you are a company and you want me to review your products, hit me up in my emails. I am definitely willing to work with you. And keep your eye out for some really good content coming up. I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I hit 100 subscribers, so make sure you keep subscribing and sharing to your friends and to your family and to your Instagram and your Facebook and everything, so that we can get up there so that you might win a really great gift bag filled with all kinds of goodies sent personally by me. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!